Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about example of covariance and correlation coefficient of the random variables. And this is the previous examination question. The example is find the covariance and the correlation coefficient between two random variables capital X and capital Y if expectation of x is equal to 2, expectation of y is equal to 3, expectation of xy is equal to 10, expectation of x square is equal to 9, and expectation of y square is equal to 16. Coming to the solution, given that capital X and capital Y are the two random variables, the two random variables mean value of x is 2, mean value of y is 3, expectation of xy value is 10, expectation of x square value is 9, expectation of y square value is 16. So find out the covariance and the correlation coefficient value. First calculate the covariance. So we know that the covariance between two random variables capital X and capital Y is covariance of x comma y is equal expectation of xy minus expectation of x into expectation of y. So given that expectation of y, expectation of xy, expectation of x, expectation of y values are there, substitute all these values into this equation, we get covariance of x comma y is equal to expectation of xy value is 10 minus expectation of x value is 2 into expectation of y value is 3. So 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Next, find out the correlation coefficient. We know that the correlation coefficient between two random variables is rho is equal covariance of x comma y by sigma x sigma y. So in the first bit, the covariance of x comma y is already calculated. First calculate the variance of the random variable x and variance of the random variable y, and after that substitute sigma x sigma y values into this equation, we get correlation coefficient value. So first calculate variance of the random variable x. So we know that variance of random variable x is sigma x square is equal expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. Given that expectation of x square value is 9, expectation of x value is 2, 2 square is 4, 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. So sigma x square is 5, sigma x is equal to square root of 5. And variance of y is equal to expectation of y square minus expectation of y whole square. Given that expectation of y square value is 16, expectation of y value is 3, 3 square is 9, 16 minus 9 is 7, therefore sigma y is equal to square root of 7, and substitute sigma x value and sigma y value into this equation. We know that the correlation coefficient rho is equal to, so covariance of x comma y is already calculated and its value is 4. Sigma x is square root of 5, sigma y is square root of 7, 4 divided by square root of 5 into square root of 7 is equal to 4 divided by square root of 35.